Hi, welcome to Cooking with OB. This week we're going to be making something for those of us with a sweet tooth, and we're going to be cooking up some brownies. So, first thing to do is preheat our oven to 190 and line a baking tin with parchment paper. And of course, wash our hands. So for the recipe today, you'll need 110 grams of flour, 450 grams of caster sugar, 55 grams of chocolate powder, 5 eggs, 225 grams of butter, and 140 grams of chocolate. So the first things we're going to need are our butter and our caster sugar, and we're going to melt those in a large pan nice and gently. Now we don't want to do this too quick, so I suggest a medium heat just so it really melts nice and slowly. We can get it all mixed in. So once they're melted together, we can turn the heat off and add our chocolate. We're just going to stir that in until that's melted into that and we have some chocolatey goodness. Once we've got our chocolatey mixture, we're going to add and beat in our 5 eggs into that mixture. So once the eggs are beaten in, we can go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So we can stir in the flour and the chocolate powder. So once everything's mixed in, you've got your chocolate mixture, we can just pour that into our pre-lined tin and ready to bake. So now all there is to do is to pop it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And what we're looking for is that the top is firm, the insides and underneath are still soft. So once it's been in the oven for half an hour, we have our firm top and soft underneath. Then just let it cool for a little longer in the pan before we take it out and cut it up. So these turned out a gooey delight. Let us know how yours turn out by leaving a picture and a message in the comments box below. Till next time, stay safe and ma salama.